Okay, let me get myself together, okay? Hey guys, welcome back. Ooh, subbies and newbies, I got one for you today. And just in case you're not sure what category you fit into, here's a hint. If you are just stopping by for the very first time, okay, and just now peeking in, then you be a newbie. But it don't even matter. We don't worry about categories. We don't worry about titles around here. I just want everyone, that's newbies and subbies, to come on in and have a seat. Today, this one is dedicated to all those who are still looking for a good shampoo and conditioner. Now, we already went through, we have a video where we went over good shampoos, moisturizing shampoos and conditioners. And just in case you looked at that list and maybe you weren't convinced about some of the things on the list, that's all right. And, you know, we talked about the Amber Rose shampoo. That's from Theory as well. And maybe you thought, meh, about the Amber Rose. It's okay. It's all right. I got one for you today. Now, if this one don't work, if you don't like this one, I don't know what to tell you. But let's try it, okay? Let's just go over what I am talking about. Today, I'm going to talk about Theory. Yes, it's another Theory shampoo. But hold on. Bear with me. This one is Helichrysum and Plum. You know, for me, Theory is like a little candy store for me. It's just so much to choose from, and there are a lot of good additions underneath the umbrella, their hair care umbrella. So, we did the Amber Rose. Now, I am coming to you with this Helichrysum and Plum. So again, anybody who's looking to add to their regimen, you may want to listen up. Let me set the scene. It all started way back in the day. Well, not too way back in the day, but I was shopping. When I first jumped on the Theory bandwagon, I was shopping and I saw this, I saw that, and I grabbed some Helichrysum shampoo. That would be this. And then I tucked it away and I said, oh, I got this other stuff. I got the grapefruit. It's really working for me. I love it. It's getting my hair the zhuzh that I want. Let me just put this to the side. So I put it to the side and then I forgot about it because I've been using the grapefruit and then I tried the Amber Rose. And you all know that I've been trying a couple things from the Theory brand because you really can't go wrong. Then not too long ago, I looked through and I said, oh, I forgot all about the Helichrysum and Plum. That would be this. And so I said, I think I told y'all, I said, oh, I'm going to try this. I tried the Aubrey's GPB and I said, boom, boom, boom. And then I said, I'm going to try the Helichrysum and Plum. And then I just got excited. And then I got to tell y'all, and then slow down, Dolce. Slow down. Can you tell I'm excited? Because I'm just a little excited. But anyway, so here's how it goes. The whole thing in a nutshell is I grabbed my Helichrysum and Plum. And you saw what it looked like. I grabbed it and then I jumped in the shower. Now, just a little background. This is Helichrysum. And I think now it's Helichrysum and Plum. But this one says Helichrysum, which is basically a plant. Okay, it's a flower. And this particular shampoo, it's Helichrysum Nourishing Shampoo. And I said, ooh, you better nourish my hair. Come on now. So with that being said, I shampooed with the shampoo. I conditioned with the conditioner. I went about, my normal zhuzh as far as, doing the leave-in and all this other stuff, blew dry my hair. And then I styled it. Bloop, bloop, bloop. I like to curl it tight. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. This is the next day. And let me tell you, this shampoo is fantastic. Again, you know that the grapefruit, that's what I've been normally using, the grapefruit line. That has been discontinued. Now, I believe someone has already asked me, and you know who you are. You guys have already asked me, once that grapefruit line, or once my grapefruit runs out, what would be the equivalent as far as what they're offering now? And I would say the Helichrysum. But let me tell you, let me not even tell you. Do you see what is going on top of my head? Okay, now it's raining outside. So all my products combined are pretty much holding up. You know how we love to bounce around here. Okay, we love to bounce. You know how we love shine around here. Okay, and you know that we love movement around here. We love lightness and movement, and we love for our hair styles to stay. So with that being said, this Helichrysum is a hair love for me. This is a keeper. This is really good. And I believe one of you guys have already tried it anyway. You came to me first before I was even able to try my own stash. And you told me how good it left your hair feeling and that it left your hair very soft. So again, it's hard for me to say anything bad about Theory because a lot of their they just hold up. They just do. As far as what you are looking for, they pretty much deliver. They stand on their word and deliver on their word. They deliver on what they say. My hair is soft. You see what's going on. And I am super impressed. This is the Helichrysum Nourishing Shampoo from Theory. Now, I know I talk about them a lot, but I promise you, none of this is sponsored. But their products are just so good, and they're worth sharing. They really are. They're worth sharing. And you know how we do it around here. We share around here. So, with that being said, it says specifically it's for dry, brittle, and over-processed hair. My hair is not... it's definitely not the latter two, but I usually migrate towards shampoos that are listed as nourishing or moisturizing, especially being a relaxed girl. You know, our hair can be a little drier from time to time. So with that being said, and it has natural ingredients. Okay, so it has the Helichrysum extract. Again, it's the plant, it's the flower. And it also has ginkgo biloba leaf extract. And it's color safe, and it's also safe for keratin treated hair. So it has a lot of good stuff underneath its cap. And I'm sure I don't have to ballyhoo anymore over this. This stuff is fantastic. This gets the DD approval, okay? Plus star and star and star, or however you want me to mark it, I'm giving it to you. This is a hair love. Theory has hit it out of the park once again with the Helichrysum Nourishing Shampoo. This left my hair soft and shiny. As you can tell, the conditioner was very good with detangling. I didn't have any issues with either. Both are great. With regard to the scent or the smell, for those who are sensitive to smells, I would say that it's a very light flower scent. It's not heavy. I would say Amber Rose is heavier. It's a heavier, more perfume smell in the Amber Rose. And this one is a lot more benign. It's very light. It's a light scent. And it doesn't linger, okay? Like I can't smell it now, so it doesn't linger on your hair for all those who are concerned about that as well. You know, you'd be surprised what people are into or not into. But it doesn't linger on your hair, but the effects I felt immediately. Honey, the rinse out was glorious. My hair felt silky and smooth. And like I said, the detangling process was a breeze. I was able to blow dry. You know, I use the ceramic blow dryer now, so that added to the shine, and I am so happy with this stuff. Okay, I'm very happy. So I just wanted to show you guys that, you know, my curls are hanging on. Like I said, even though it's raining outside, it's miserable outside, but that's okay because we got something shiny and new here. Okay, well, kind of shiny and new, but it don't matter. We talking about some good stuff. This is some good stuff. So anyway, my hair feels good. I still have the bounce and the shine. And you know, I always like to show you guys that, okay? So I still got my flow going on. Yeah, there's not too much else I can say about this other than it lines up with everything else under their umbrella. We like the Amber Rose, and I talked about the argan oil one. Okay. Now, again, in comparison, the argan oil one it's just a tad bit heavier for my hair because my hair doesn't need a whole lot of oils. But trust me, I'm glad I had that in my stash as well, because from time to time, whenever my hair is feeling extra dry for whatever reason, I know that's a go-to for me. So this one is another gem. So again, this is a love letter. This is a call out. This is a memo to anybody who's still looking for a good shampoo and conditioner combination, you know, the whole 1-2 punch. If you're still looking for something to add to your regimen, honey, you may want to check this one out. And I'll have the website down below as far as where you can find the products, and you can also find them at Marshall's. Okay, I'm just saying, you know, save a couple, but you can't. I'm just saying. Marshall's or TJ Maxx, and for those who are not familiar with those stores, those are sort of the discounted department stores that are found over here, you know. But my whole point is that you can find them. If not on the website, then maybe at one of either TJ Maxx or Marshall's. But you may want to check it out. You may want to check it out. And I'm done. I'm done with this, okay? But I was excited. Could you tell that I was excited? Because I was talking real fast and I was looking at the shampoo. Then I was like, oh my God. Then I was reliving it. Then I had to set the scene for y'all because I wanted y'all to understand what I was talking about, okay? And I wanted y'all to see what I was seeing, even though you weren't there, so you couldn't see what I was seeing. But you understand what I am talking about, honey. Slow down, Dolce. Whew. You know, it's a happy feeling to get excited about things, you know. And sometimes I get a little excited about things, you know. And so I'm excited about this. I really am. And yeah, I wanted to share and impart some of that excitement to you all. So I think we have run the gamut as far as the Theory shampoos. And again, this is not for you to collect them all. We're not doing that. I wanted to give you guys a choice out of this particular brand. I wanted to let you know what I have tried, what works for me, and what I like. And like I said, it's hard for me to say what I don't like because I actually like pretty much all the products that I have tried from them. They are a stand-up brand as far as their products. They really come through. So this is just to give you another option. We're just looking at options. We're not collecting. We're not hoarding. We're finding what works for us and sticking to it because that's what counts. That's what's going to help your regimen. And really, we're building regimens. We want to make them a cohesive regimen. We want to make it a cohesive working regimen so that we can get the hair that we want and then maintain it. So that's just another feather in their cap. If you're asking me or if you're curious as far as how I would rank them at this point, now that I tried the Helichrysum, grapefruit is number one, but it's discontinued. So my thing would be right now, I'm going to finish out what I got, but the Helichrysum is right up there. The Amber Rose to me is a little, it's not as nourishing or it's not as moisturizing as the Helichrysum. And the argan oil is a little heavy for me. And when I say heavy, it just, I can tell as the week goes on, because you know I wash my hair once a week. So as the week goes on, I can tell that my hair is getting a little oilier looking and feeling, as opposed to when I use the other shampoos. That's all I'm saying. So anyway, I wanted to offer that, but I'm going to try it a couple more times. I don't expect anything to be different because it was pow right out the gate. So I don't expect anything different, but I'm going to give you little updates here and there. But I'll just let you know, because I know sometimes when you try something once and then, you know, you're like, wow. And then maybe later on it's not. I don't see that being the case in this case, but I will give you a couple more updates. I'm going to do it a couple more times and just try it, well, and use it. But I'm really impressed. But it just feels good to find good products products. You know what I mean? It just feels good. It's like you can exhale and get on with the work as far as, okay, now that I got the products, now I can do the work and get the results that I want. So I just wanted to come in here really quickly and share that with you guys. Oh, and also I wanted to show you, I don't think I can find it. I wanted to show you, I just found the hair. Now you probably won't be able to see it on camera. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I have a couple of, I got a couple of lightning streaks going through my hair. We don't worry too much about that. Anyway, that gray reversal that we were talking about, we were talking about how you can reverse some of the grays with copper. Okay, copper can be found in chocolate, and you know that I've been talking about the black strap molasses. Well, let me tell you, I found two hairs, okay? So I'm grabbing the one that I have now, and you probably won't be able to see what I'm talking about, but trust me, I'm looking at it. It's gray on the end, or silvery gray, whatever you want to call it. It's gray on the end, but towards the root, it is my normal dark brown color. I may try and insert some pictures if I can, but I'm telling you, when I saw that, I said, this stuff really works. I don't know what else it would be, but I'm going to run with it. I see some reversing going on. Now, it's not all over and it's not all at once, but that one hair, I was just like, okay, I think this is working. So I just wanted to come in here and share that with you guys as well, that these things that we're talking about as far as the foods, and that's why it's so important to make sure not only what we're doing to our hair topically, but also what we're ingesting, what we're imbibing, what we're taking in as far as nutrition. It all counts. So yeah, we can get excited about shampoos and this and that and things impart and shine, but we got to do the inside work as well. So with that being said, I need everyone to have their outside regimen together as well as their inside regimen together so they can work together for our good. And with that being said, we putting a button on it. So that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out, okay? I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. We got more stuff to talk about because we added some stuff on the list because some people asked for some stuff on the list. So we gotta put that on the list. So you gotta come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come